How's it going, guys? Welcome back to our kitchen. Today Aiden and I are going to be making a couple of detox juices to kick off the new year's. We want to start with a fresh, healthy start. So we have a couple of ingredients here that will be listed. Today we're going to be making a carrot orange glow for our skin. Beetroots cleanse for your liver, kidneys, all of that stuff. And the next one's going to be a green juice. So let's get started. Aiden is going to be doing all of our juicing and I will be chopping. We're going to get started with our carrots and orange glow. So we are going to need a squeeze of lemon, some oranges, and our carrots, of course. And we have our carrot orange glow. This is what you need to brighten your skin and get that natural glow. Let's go ahead and pour into our jar. Here we have it, a bottle of glow.
All right, we're gonna start with our beetroot cleanse. And that we're gonna need our beetroots, carrots, apple, lemon, and our ginger.
Try some? Cheers! This was very good. Get that kick from the ginger, the sweetness from the beets, tastes delicious, and it's the perfect cleanse to clean everything out and start fresh for the new year's. Next, let's make our green juice detox. For that, we're gonna need some celery, cucumber, apple, some lemon, and some more ginger. Jay, you're up. Okay, well, this is the last of our green juice. And if you'd like, you could add some spinach to this as well, which would really give you that vibrant green color, and it adds a lot of nutrition value as well. But this is what we want at this time, so that's all that we're having. But here you have it. We have our green juice, our carrot orange glow, and our beetroots, which is perfect. All of these juice, you could add coconut water to them and ice and then enjoy it that way. You could also pour all of these into an ice cube container, freeze them, pop them in the freezer. That way when you're ready, it's convenient. You could just grab a cube, put it in your cup of water, or it could be hot water in the morning or ice water, and you have it on the go 24/7, so it's all prepped and ready for you. These are super healthy, great start for the new year's, just to, like, you know, kick things off in with good health and With that being said, I hope you guys try these. You can enjoy it however you want. I have some non-alcohol sparkling cider here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of my beet juice directly in. And just like that, you have a delicious glass of champagne, if you would, mocktail. So cheers, Aiden. Cheers to you guys, to the New Year's. Happy New Year's, happy holidays. I wish you guys all the best in this new coming year. I hope you all, you know, have good health and strength, wealth, prosperity. And we have a lot going on, a lot coming. So you guys hit that subscribe button.